viewers, in my last video I discussed regarding the model-based agent, which was the second type of rational agent in artificial intelligence. So in today's video, I'll be discussing regarding the third type of agent of rational agent, that is the goal-based agent in artificial intelligence. So stay tuned to this video. This is Ranjiraj and you are streaming on the StudyBeast. So first of all, the diagram moreover looks the same for the model-based agent and for the goal-based agent. So two things are different in this. So first of all, the thing is that one new state has been introduced, and the condition action rules which were there in that previous model is been replaced by these goals. So what are these goals? I will discuss in this video. So first of all, you have this basic architecture of this IA structure. You have this agent, you have the environment, you have sensors for this agent to perceive something from the environment, as well as you have actuators which give or which perform actions to the environment. And in between you have some states, and you have some other behavioral background information, like how the world evolves, what my actions do, what the world is like now, and something. Yeah, that's it till the model base. Now in this, what's actually introduced is one more state is there, like what it will be if I do action A. Like it has to produce a sequence of actions, or it has to take a particular amount of decisions, so that it will reach its goal state in a minimal amount of time and with minimal delay. So that is the basic objective or basic motto of goal based agent. So in that, to support with it, the CA libraries have been eliminated, and in place of that you have this goals. So this goals are certain rules, or in fact a plethora of like actions are put in this goals. Like they have to reach one particular state. Like for example, if you are playing some games or chess or carom or any other game, you have one certain aim or goal, so that you will reach that particular location or particular desired location. So that goal needs to be accomplished. Otherwise, it's not that you have achieved that entire activity, so it becomes impartial or incomplete. So that to overcome that, you have these goals. So in this goal-based agent, this is the most improvement or the improved agent from the model-based agent. It has always taken the action which is goal-oriented, and it has goal-based approach. Means every now and then it will see whether its actions are reaching the goal or not, and depending upon that it will produce its actions. It refers to a function goals, which is a description of all the desirable equations for selecting the goal oriented actions. Means it will stress upon these goals, and it will try to map whether its actions are nearby or far in reaching these goals. And two important aspects in goal based agents are there. So first is the searching, and another one is planning. So searching algorithms are there, and for planning you have planning algorithms. Like for example, if you go for a shopping mall, for shopping some items, you have some planned list, you have to do list there. So accordingly you will search for the items, and if you find all of them, then it means that your goal is achieved, else not. An example is like you have shopping malls, example driverless car, especially for Uber driverless vehicles, and for games like chess, carom, and many other games, football, cricket, and etc. All you have some particular goal, so this goal needs to be achieved in life. So in human beings also we have some goals to achieve, and we take the right decisions to move that or to achieve that goal. So well, that's about all about the goal-based agent in artificial intelligence. So hope you enjoyed this video. Found this video helpful. Please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.